Hi, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to review the sample provided by Bioworld. So it's a round, two-piece round luggage. Mine is a bear. So this is the 12 inches tall, and this is the 16 inches tall. It has a handle here that is retractable. Um, this is how it looks inside. It has this, and it has this for the shoes. I will put my toddler shoes here, and also this is the backpack. The backpack is very steady. It has also these things here to secure things inside. So this is how it looks in the front, and you can hang it toddler on your toddler's back. To storage, all you have to do is put one inside of the other one, like this, and you just storage as one. It has also the wheels are clear, and they're very, it's like they go basically all, not only front and back, but it rotates sideways. That's the word that I was looking for. It rotates sideways. I hope you enjoy this luggage as much as my toddler is going to enjoy it, and thank you for watching my video.